Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a quick video on how to download and set up Social Media Pro. So all you need to do is click on, view all licenses, which will bring you to here. Find Social Media Pro license details. Download the software. The software will download to your downloads folder. What you need to do is show in folder. What you need to do then is right click and select copy. Minimize everything and right click and paste on your desktop. You'll right click and extract files to Social Media Pro. Files will be extracted. Double click. You'll have two folders, the database and strap2. License DLL, Locker DLL, and then Social Media Pro _locked. Now, double click the Social Media Pro _locked exe file. You get your license info details. Go back to your Social Media Pro license details within the members area. Copy your email address. Paste your email address and then copy your license key and paste your license key and then click submit. Software will take a couple of seconds the first time you run it, and the software will then open.